Welcome to my YouTube channel, Matkarit. So our math lesson for today is how to find the least common denominator. See, this lesson is the solution to the problem of so many students who have difficulty in adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. Let's get started. Okay, so given these two fractions, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4, as you can see, these two fractions have no common denominator. Take note that we are not allowed to add two fractions if they have no common denominator. So this is how to take their common denominator. So I will write their denominator 3 and 4, and then multiply this two denominator by the counting number starting from 1. So 1 times 3, that is 3. 1 times 4, that is 4. Next, 2 times 3, that is 6, and 2 times 4, that is 8. Next, 3 times 3, that is 9, and 3 times 4, that is 12. Next, 4 times 3, that is 12, and 4 times 4, that is 16. Okay, so as you can see, we have now their common multiple. This is their common multiple, 12. Okay, since we have now their common multiple, least common multiple, so we can now add these two fractions. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 4. Three multiplied by 4. Then add 1 will be multiplied by 3. As well as the denominator 4 is multiplied by 3. Okay, so 2 times 4, that is 8. Then 3 times 4, that is 12. Plus this 3 over 12. So as you can see, they have now their common denominator, which is 12. So we can now add the numerator. So 8 plus 3, that is 11. Then copy the denominator, 12. Okay, so that's it. That's how we can find the least common denominator. I hope that you learned something from this presentation.